Geogesso Cuties, Wayne here. Today we're going to draw Claude from Elemental. So let's get started. To draw a cute Claude, let's first start with drawing his eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a big circle. And I'm going to come right across nice and wide because we need to put in a really big nose, right? And about right there, I'm going to go ahead and draw another circle. You can always also draw the nose first if that's you feel more comfortable doing that. Okay, so now that we have two circles in, I'm going to come back in here and we're going to draw a bunch of circles. So towards this corner a little bit more, I'm going to come in here and draw one circle. Come in and draw another one right in the center. And another one right here for a highlight. And shade it all in. And when you color it, this is where you would put the color of the eyes. So same thing here, towards this corner. Draw a circle. And another one. There. Okay, so now the eyes in, let's draw the nose. So I'm going to come really close to the eyes, about right here, and I'm just going to draw this big curve at the top, same height as the eyes, and bring it down. And then I'm going to come in here, same height as the bottom of the eyes, and about right here I'm just going to wobble a little bit and then connect. There. And then if you like, you can do this when you're coloring so it's not so harsh, but I'm just going to come right here and very lightly just draw a curve for some details, just to give our nose some dimension. And then from there, let's come above each eye and I'm just going to draw a soft curve slanting down. Then let's draw a mouth. So I'm going to come to the eye, the center of the eye, and about right here. And let's go right across, since it's pretty wide. I'm just going to give myself 2 points. From there, I'm just going to draw this big happy smile, so this big curve all the way across. And then from there, let's round it off. Same thing here, round it off. And I'm going to widen up the smile. So let's say about right here, not too big. About right here, my center. And we're going to go right back up. And connect. There. Then from there, let's draw the teeth. So this is my center. I'm going to come right a little bit across to create a little gap. And here, draw 2 teeth sticking out. And then you can even come here and draw a tongue if you like into this space. There. And then, you know what, let me just go ahead and shade this all in so you can see it a little bit better. I forgot if it's completely black or if it's like a darkish red. I forgot. So I'm just going to come in here and shade it in black first so you can see a little bit better. And if it is kind of like a reddish, dark reddish color, I'll change that later on the computer. Okay, there, so a big happy smile. Then from there, let's draw the head shape, which kind of reminds me of a tomato. So let's see here, let's come to the top of my eye and I'm going to come out about this wide. And same thing here, about this wide, just same thing on both sides. And I'm just going to create this curve around the eye. Just go around the eye. Then from there, I'm going to come back to the center and say about here, I'll give myself a point. So not too far from the mouth. This is where I'm going to connect it. So let's bring this curve down. And definitely turn your body or the paper, whatever you need to do to create this big curve. There. And so same thing over here. Just going to bring it in. And connect. There. And then the top part comes up, so it comes up and in. So let's bring this up. And say about right there, not too high, about right there. I'm going to come and bring it in towards the center. I'm going to wobble a little bit towards the center, and then same thing on the other side. So same thing here, and just go ahead and connect. There. Then from there, let's draw the grass. That's his hair. And let's come up, say about right here. I'm just gonna go ahead, and my goal is to make it a little bit pointier towards the center. So as I go up, I'm just gonna kind of go zigzag, not too sharp, because if you make it too sharp, then it's just gonna look like fangs or like very sharp hair. So we're just gonna soften it up a little bit, and as we come about right here, let's just start to bring it in. And a small one sometimes, and then go up towards the center, and then maybe about right here you can go the other way towards the center, and once again up and down, come down. So I just want to create these zigzags and just bring it in about there. Just create this texture for the hair. And then if you like, you can come in here and just give it some more detail. There. Okay, so hopefully that looks like grass. And then from there, let's see here, let's draw the body. So I'm going to come back to my center, find my center about right here. And I'm just going to come out with two big curves for the collar. So same thing here. There. And then, nice and simple, I'm going to come in a little bit, and we're just going to draw two angle lines coming out for the body. So let's bring it down to about right there. And right there, about the same level. Let's go ahead and connect it with a curve. And then let's come down here, and we're just going to create another curve at the bottom, and then the legs. So let's stick them out, and so about right here we're just going to come out. It's going to be a little bit wider towards the bottom, and right about here we just connect it with a curve. Let's draw some cute shoes, so big curve, and let's just simplify this. We're going to bring it down, curve it in, and connect. And for some details, come right here. We're going to curve and in, and then I'll just come here and draw two curves. So same thing on this side. So a little bit wider towards the bottom, connect, big curve for the heel, and then once again just slant it down and bring it in and connect. And right here again, curve and bring it in. And then two curves right here for the laces. Okay, so then from there, before I forget, I'm going to come right about here and draw a circle, another line for the drawstring area. There. And now for the hands. So on this, I'm just going to have hands coming about right here, bend it. So come right here and here. Scrawny little hands, and then up, down, and curve. And on this side, let's have Claude holding a flower. So I'm going to bring this up about right here and here, about the same width as the other hand. And then here, let's go ahead and draw a thumb and some fingers. So kind of like this oval. Put a little line right here, connect it, and then I'm just going to stick a flower. So just because my hand's right here, I don't want to put the flower here, so I'm going to have to bend my flower. So let's put a stem through right there, and then a circle for the center of our flower and some petals. There. Yay, got our flower. And let's see, that is pretty much it. I'm just going to add a little heart right here, right in the center, and make him my Draw So Cute Claude from Elemental. I really hope I helped you draw him fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.